Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing. I'm so excited. So I have one thing from Louis Vuitton and one little small item from Luisa. If you want to see what I got, stick around. Alright, so you guys know that I'm not one to keep you guessing. I'm just going to jump right in and show you guys what's in this box. Alright, so it's a big box. Let's open it up. I had to stand up for this unboxing. And inside of the big box is a beautiful orange box. So what could it be? What could be in this box? All right, let's just open up the box. I had to stand up because it's just easier that way with such a large box. So here is the receipt, yippee. And you guys, it's a dust bag. There's nothing in it. Maybe it's in here somewhere. There's nothing in it. Well, there went the little card. There's nothing in it. Just this. Seriously? Is this what you call an unboxing gone bad? This is the only thing that was in my box. And the receipt. Oh, Lord. I'm kidding. Okay, so I'll show you what was in the box. It's actually a reveal, and those of you that watch me on a regular basis probably know what it is. Yes, I replaced my Neverfull GM. So I just got this yesterday and I did open it. I had to, you guys. I was a mess yesterday, a hot mess. So I had to open it today. I'm so excited, and guess what? She was made in France. So I'm so happy to have the Neverfull GM back in my possession. I will never get rid of this bag. I'm so excited. Now, I love the floppiness of it. I'm probably going to get an organizer, but something really soft, probably not a Samorga, and I may also get a base shaper for it, but I've been carrying it around. She's already a mess, just the way I love her to be. And I just love the floppiness. Oh, I just tripped over my Roomba. Okay, so look at this. You guys, I am thrilled. I may carry her for the next month. Sometimes I do cinch in the sides, but right now I'm just really enjoying the full size Neverfull. I am just beside myself, you guys, happy that I found it. So it was out of stock on the website for a while, and the only thing that was on the website was the Pavé interior. The Pavé, I can't talk, I'm so excited. The Pavé interior, but I just really love this classic beige because I really think that I'm going to get another Neverfull, just the MM with the cherry interior. I love a tote. I'm a tote girl through and through, and I am absolutely beside myself to have this bag. Now, I had the Neverfull GM in the Azure, and I just gave that to my daughter. I loved it, but she loved it too, and I gave that to her. So I'm so happy to have this back. You guys know how much I was mourning my other one. I have no idea. You know, the other one had the script writing because I had had it for about 10 years. And like I said, this one, let's see if it'll pick up. This one was, I don't know. Anyway, this one was made in France. I don't think that's gonna pick up. But another thing that I'm just really thrilled about is the little pouch, because when I got my first Neverfull GM in the monogram, you know, they didn't come with the pouches. So I've always wanted this particular pouch because, you know, I told you guys, I use my pouches. I kept the Azure one, and so now I'm just really thrilled to have this. It's just great for date night or just when you want to run to the store. I love pouches, so I'm really thrilled to have this one too. You guys have no idea how happy I am. So if you're looking around, it is kind of a weird background. I'm in the dining room and that's the foyer. Every single inch of my house is a mess. I was gonna film upstairs, but there were boxes everywhere. I was tripping over stuff, so I just set up shop right here in the dining room. All right, so I'm happy. Now you guys, next weekend, not this weekend, next weekend, we are leaving for a week at the beach, and I'm taking you guys with me. I'm gonna vlog. So I'm not the best vlogger in the world, but I think I'm gonna do it. I haven't vlogged since we went to Ireland, so I'm really excited to vlog our family beach trip. Let's see what else. Oh, we finally have the pool installed. They worked on the concrete, so I'll have to take you guys out there when I can walk around on it and show you. I'm just really thrilled. All right, so let's move ahead and show you my other little unboxing. Okay, so I turned those lights off back there. It actually looks better. You guys, check out the dining room table. It's covered in things. Keith and I, before we go to the beach, like the week before, we have a check-off list. We start putting things on the table so we won't forget anything. So we have like paper plates, dishwashing, detergent, our laptops, beach towels, paper towels, garbage bags. We always take sheets from home, mustard, mayonnaise. I mean, we go to the grocery store, but we take a lot of things with us, coffee. So that's gonna be there for the next week. All right, this box is from Ana Luisa. So I just tore off the label because I've been known to flash around my address, you guys. I don't need a serial killer coming after me. So it's from Ana Luisa. It's just a small little item, you guys, and I have really fallen in love with this brand. So I bought a pair of Ana Luisa earrings last year and love them. Actually, I have this ear cuff is Ana Luisa, and these little tiny earrings here, if you can see them, these are Ana Luisa, and I sleep in them, so I don't have to take them off. But I also have a necklace. It's like, I forgot what the name of it was, but I'll do an Ana Luisa collection if you guys are interested. I don't have a lot, but I probably will before it's all over with. So they always come in these beautiful black velvet pouches. So I just bought something really small. I'm really into celestial things. I have my ears pierced multiple times. So isn't this cute? Okay, so it's a little star and a little moon. And I just thought they were so cute because earrings like this, I can sleep in them. I had all these like stud earrings in my ears. I have my ears pierced about, I think, 7 times. But I can actually sleep in earrings like this. So I'm really excited, and that's all I picked up. But I'm telling you guys, I've got my eye on a few other pieces from their collection. It's really well-made jewelry. If you haven't tried it out, you definitely should. Ana Luisa, give me a call. I'll be your brand ambassador. So I put these earrings on. I'm gonna turn to the side. I hope this is picking up the way I want it to. Just decided to put the little star and the moon on one side because I like my earrings to be mismatched. But they have a little bit of sparkle to them. I think they're super cute. And I just really like the way they look. All right, so that's really all I have for you guys today. Just a quick unboxing. Saturday, I'm going to be doing a lipstick challenge. If you're watching, it's kind of like a contest. I was thinking, what can I do because I am just about to hit 3,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be doing a contest, and the person who wins a painting by me. It's a painting of lipsticks. So I thought that was a fun little thing that I could do for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway, something a little different. Also, I just wanted to know, what would you guys like to see in the future? I plan on doing a what fits in my YSL envelope bag. I haven't went back and done a wear and tear and review on that bag, and I got it several months ago, so I've had it long enough. I'm probably going to do that very soon, but if you have any requests, just let me know and I will get to your request as soon as I can. Alright guys, that's really all I have for you today. I'm super excited for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway and contest next Saturday, so you guys be watching for that, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye bye. Mwah.